Hello everyone, greetings from Fabol. Today we are going to talk about a breakthrough technology of lubricants. Fabol, it is scientific breakthrough in the world of lubrication born out of deep research. You have a vehicle which needs oil change at every 10,000 kilometers. So you must have noticed that first 2 to 3,000 kilometers the oil would remain best, but last 2 to 3,000 kilometers oil would be black with the metal surface wear and tear. This is how every machine loses its metal wear particle at every oil changing interval. And the aging process starts with the signs of vibration, heating, noise and ultimately downtime or machine failure. So, this is exactly where the breakthrough technology like Fabol comes into the picture. It reduces wear and tear, resulting in significant benefits like longer life of the machine, increase in mileage, increase in oil changing intervals, increase in load bearing capacity, reduction in vibration and heat, and much more. So with these benefits, this technology can really change the world of lubricants. Okay, enough of talking. Now let's see the live demo.
This is a standard testing device where this motor works as an engine and electricity works as the fuel system. Friction load given on this bearing will transfer to the motor directly and indicate on the amp meter. We are going to demonstrate friction impact under different scenarios. No lubricants. First, we are going to test the friction without any lubrication. This metal stud is going to be in direct contact with the metal bearing. You heard that screeching sound? And the friction also damaged metal with a big wear mark. Also see the wear particles torn and fallen from the metal surfaces. This means without any lubrication, the machine starts to wear out faster. Typical lubricants. Now let's test with a commonly used lubricant. So adding some oil here, and we are rotating the stud to see the impact of friction on a fresh metal surface. No screeching sound and steady amp meter under ideal conditions of no load. But no machine is built to run under ideal conditions. Every machine has to perform under different load conditions. So let's add some load. Due to this distance, 1 kg load added here transfers into 32 kg friction load to the motor through this bearing. Hear the friction noise? Amp meter also rising and a big wear mark on the metal. Synthetic lubricants. Now let's test with a premium synthetic oil. The stud surface rotated, smooth under no load. Now let's check with load. So little better, but still the amp meter rises and the wear and tear is still very high despite using lubricants. Fabol test. Now let's test with Fabol's breakthrough technology. Adding only 10% of Fabol to the existing lubricant, changing the stud surface, smooth with no load. Let's add load. No screeching sound, no noise. More load added, but the amp meter is steady. That means all the load added here is not getting transferred to the motor. This is possible due to Fabol's great capability to bond on the metal surface and provide superior protection. You may also notice there are no startup problems even with the loads and the motor runs smoothly. The wear mark is hardly 5% compared to earlier. This means Fabol eliminates the friction by up to 95%. Also notice the polished wear mark. Polishing starts when friction is eliminated. This is how Fabol enhances performance of your existing lubricants. Now as the Fabol has bonded on the metal surface, let's do some extreme tests. Total loss of lubricants. We are testing after removing the oil sump. Machine runs smoothly. This can save machine in cases of oil leakages or total loss of lubricant. Water exposure. Another extreme test wherein water gets mixed with the lubricant. Any oil mixing with water would emulsify and lose lubricity and machine would seize. But previously bonded Fabol on metal protects it and the machine continues to run smoothly. Great, isn't it? Dust exposure. Now let's do one more extreme test wherein sand or dust gets mixed with the lubricant. For example, cement planks. Woohoo! The machine runs smoothly even in these extreme conditions and the wear and tear is still negligible. To conclude, Fabol is an ultimate friction reducer which works with most of your existing lubricant oils and enhances the life of your machine, extends oil change intervals by up to 200 to 300%, increases load bearing capacity in vehicles, increases fuel efficiency by up to 10 to 20%. Also, it will reduce heating, vibrations and startup problems. Please note, Fabol needs to be added in your existing lubricant oils by just 5 to 10% volume by volume and it is compatible with most engine oils, gear oils, hydraulic oils and compressor oils.
So what are you waiting for? Visit our website or contact us.